So this is the breakdown of all of my utility stocks. That's mainly electricity and water utilities, but a lot of these are involved in renewable energy as well. But I'm going to make a separate video for the stocks that are involved in renewable energy. So there's 33 in total. Got 5 from Germany, 20 from the USA, 3 from the UK, 2 from Ireland, 1 from France, and 2 from Spain. So the first one, 7C Solarparken. Ticker symbol is HRPK. It's trading for about €4 per share at the moment. It's on the German market. The company is based in Germany as well. It's a Germany-based company engaged in the design, manufacture and operation of solar power plants. So it's in the electric utilities industry. Currently has a dividend yield of 2.91%, but I'm not sure how often or how much it pays per dividend. You can assume that German companies will pay annually. They're almost always once a year. Number 2, Algonquin Power and Utilities. Ticker symbol is AQN. That's trading for about $15.50 per share. It's a US stock. It's in the electric utilities industry, but the company itself is based in Canada. It's diversified generation, transmission and distribution utility company. So it has a dividend yield of 4.31%. Pays a dividend every quarter, but I haven't received one yet. Next is American Electric Power. Ticker symbol is AEP. So it's currently trading for about $91 per share. It's based in the US. It's an electric utilities company, and it's a public utility holding company. It has a dividend yield of 3.32%. It pays a dividend every quarter, but I haven't received one yet. Next is American Water Works. Ticker symbol is AWK. So it's trading for about $187 per share. It's in the water utilities industry. It's a water and wastewater utility company. It has a dividend yield of 1.35%. Pays a quarterly dividend, and the last one I received was for 51 cents per share. Next is Consolidated Edison. Ticker symbol is ED. It's trading for about $77 per share, and it's an American electric utilities company. So Consolidated Edison is a holding company that provides energy-related products and services. Current dividend yield is 4%. It pays a quarterly dividend, and the last one I received was for 66 cents per share. Next we have Dominion Energy. Ticker symbol is D. So it's trading for about $79 per share. It's another US company. It's in the electric utilities industry, and it's a producer and distributor of energy, focused on providing electricity, natural gas and related services to customers primarily in the eastern and Rocky Mountain regions of the United States. Current dividend yield is 3.22%. Pays a quarterly dividend, and the last one I received was for 53 cents per share. Next is DTE Energy. Ticker symbol is DTE. Trading for about $122 per share. And it's also an American electric utilities company. So it's a diversified energy company focused on development and management of energy-related businesses and services nationwide. Has a dividend yield of 2.74%. Pays a quarterly dividend, but I haven't received one as of yet. Next is Duke Energy. Ticker symbol is DUK. So it's trading for about $106 per share. It's another American electric utilities company. And its segments include electric utilities and infrastructure, gas utilities and infrastructure, and commercial renewables. Dividend yield is 3.72%. And it pays a quarterly dividend of 82 cents per share. That was the last one I got. Next is E.ON, or E.ON. Ticker symbol is EOAN. So it's on the German market, trading for about €11 per share. And it's a German electric utilities company. Its business activities are divided into 4 core segments, which is energy networks, consumer solutions, energy, and renewables. Don't know what energy is, I'll have to look that one up myself. So dividend yield is a nice 4.25%. It pays an annual dividend, and the last one I received was for 35 cents in euro per share. Next we have Edison. Ticker symbol is EIX. It's trading for about $59 per share. And it's an American electric utilities company. So it's a holding company of Southern California Edison Company. Dividend yield of 4.45%. Pays a quarterly dividend, and the last one I received was for 56 cents per share. Next is Électricité de France. Ticker symbol is EDF. So it's a French utility stock, trading for about €11 per share. It's a France-based electricity producer, marketer and distributor. Dividend yield of 1.82%. And it pays an annual dividend, but I haven't received one yet. Next is Enagas. Ticker symbol is ENG. So it's on the Spanish stock market, trading for about €19.50 per share. And it's a natural gas utilities company, primarily engaged in gas transportation. Dividend yield is a pretty high 8.5%. Pays its dividend twice a year, and the last one I received was for 82 cents in euro per share. Next is Encavis. Ticker symbol is ECV. It's trading for close to €16 per share, and it's consolidating again after quite a bit of a drop from a peak. Yeah, it's been consolidating for a couple of months at around €15. Could be a good time to buy it. So it's a Germany-based producer of electricity from renewable energy sources. So it's in the electric utilities industry. Dividend yield of 1.77%. Pays an annual dividend, but I haven't received one yet. Next is Energias de Portugal. Ticker symbol is EDPFY. So it's trading for about $56.50 per share. It's on the US market, and it's an electric utilities company based in Lisbon, in Portugal. Dividend yield of 4.20%. And it pays a quarterly dividend, but I haven't received one yet. Next is Enterprise Products Partners. Ticker symbol is EPD. It's trading for close to $23 per share. It's a US natural gas utilities company. It's a provider of midstream energy services to producers and consumers of natural gas liquids, crude oil, petrochemicals, and refined products in North America. Dividend yield is a pretty high 8.15%. It pays a quarterly dividend, but I haven't received one as of today. Next is EVN. Ticker symbol is EVN. So it's an Irish stock, but the company is based in Austria. and it's absolutely shot up this month. I was currently trading for about €24 per share, and it's an electric utilities company. So it's an energy and environmental services provider based in Austria. Dividend yield is 2.25%. Pays an annual dividend, but I haven't received one yet. Next is First Energy. Ticker symbol is FE. So it's trading for almost $40 per share at the moment. And it's a US electric utilities company. So it's engaged in holding, directly or indirectly, all of the outstanding equity of its principal subsidiaries. Current dividend yield of 4.09%. Pays a quarterly dividend, and the last one I received was for 33 cents per share. Next we have Fortis Inc. Ticker symbol is FTS. So it's trading for about $46 per share. So it's a US stock, but it's based in Canada. It's in the electric utilities industry, and it's an electric and gas utility holding company. Current dividend yield of 3.5%. Pays a quarterly dividend, but I haven't received one yet. Next we have a monthly paying dividend stock, Global Water Resources. Ticker symbol is GWRS. So it's trading for about $20 per share. So it's based in the US, and it's a water utilities company. It's in the water resource management industry. Dividend yield of 1.46%, but it pays a monthly dividend of, I think, 2 cents per share per month. Next is Middlesex Water. Ticker symbol is MSEX. So it's trading for about $113.50 per share. So it's another US water utilities company. It owns and operates regulated water utility and wastewater systems. Dividend yield of 1%. Pays a quarterly dividend, but I haven't received one yet. Next we have National Grid. Ticker symbol is NG. It's based in the UK. Trades for about £9.43 per share. And it's in the electric utilities industry. Current dividend yield of 5.19%. Pays a semi-annual dividend, but I haven't received one yet. Next is NextEra Energy. Ticker symbol is NEE. Very nice long-term growth. That's from 2013. It's gone from $20 a share to $86 today. Very nice. $86.50 per share today. So it's a US electric utilities company. Current dividend yield of 1.83%. Pays a quarterly dividend, and the last one I received was for 32 cents per share. Next is Pennon Group. Ticker symbol is PNN. So it's trading for about £12.54 per share, based in the UK. It's in the water utilities industry, and it's an environmental infrastructure company. Dividend yield of 2.62%. It pays a semi-annual dividend, and the interim or midway dividend payment was 12 pence, and the final was £3.55 per share. That seems extremely high. Yeah, that could be that huge drop. Went from £17 down to 12. That's like a 30% dividend yield, isn't it? £3.50, yeah. Ooh. I know, I'll look into that one later. Doesn't seem like a reasonable dividend. 30%. Maybe it was a once off. Anyway, next, Pinnacle West Capital. Ticker symbol is PNW. So it's trading for about $78 per share. It's a US electric utilities company. So it's a holding company that operates through its subsidiaries. Dividend yield of 4.27%. Pays a quarterly dividend, but I haven't received one as of today. Next is PPL Corp. Ticker symbol is PPL. That's trading for about $30 per share today. And it's a utility holding company in the electric utilities industry. Dividend yield of 5.53%. Pays a quarterly dividend, and the last one I received was for 35 cents per share. Next we have Red Electrica Corporacion. Ticker symbol is REE. So it trades for about €17.5 per share. It's on the Spanish stock market, and the company itself is based in Spain. It's in the electric utilities industry. Has a dividend yield of 5.65%. Pays a semi-annual dividend, and the last one I received was for 59 cents in euro per share. Next we have RWE. Ticker symbol is also RWE. It's trading for €33.5 per share. It's on the German market, and the company itself is based in Germany. It's in the electric utilities industry, and it's engaged in the generation, transmission, distribution and trading of electricity and gas. Dividend yield of 2.59%. Pays an annual dividend, and the last one I received was for 63 cents in euro per share. Next we have Sempra Energy. Ticker symbol is SRE. Trading for $134.5 per share. It's in the electric utilities industry, and it invests in, develops and operates energy infrastructure and provides electric and gas services to customers through regulated public utilities. Dividend yield of 3.3%. Pays a quarterly dividend, and the last one I received was for 94 cents per share. Next we have Southern Company. Ticker symbol is SO. It's trading for close to $67 per share, and it's a US electric utilities company. Dividend yield of 4%. Pays a quarterly dividend, and the last one I received was for 66 cents per share. Now, third from the end, we have SSE. Ticker symbol is also SSE. It's trading for exactly £16.60 per share, and it's a UK-based electric utilities company. So it's engaged in the generation, transmission, distribution and supply of electricity, in the production, storage, distribution and supply of gas, and in other energy services. Dividend yield of 5%. Pays a semi-annual dividend, but I haven't received any yet. Now, second last, we have Uniper. Ticker symbol is UN01. So it's traded for about €34 per share. It's on the German market, and the company itself is based in Germany. It's an electric utilities company, and it's involved in the generation and energy trading. Dividend yield of 4%. Pays an annual dividend, and the last one I received was for €1.01 per share. And the last utilities company, Verbund. Ticker symbol is VER. So it's on the Irish market. Trades for €94.5 per share. The company itself is based in Austria and it's in the electric utilities industry. So it's engaged in the generation and transmission of electricity in Austria. Dividend yield is a pretty low 0.83%, and it pays an annual dividend, but I haven't received one yet. So it seems that all of them are either electric utilities, natural gas utilities, or water utilities. So I'm going to make a separate video for the renewable energy companies, but it will be the ones that are specifically renewables, but also ones that are partly involved in renewables. Because I can imagine that any of these companies that are well established, if other companies are starting to move into renewables a lot more, then these will just get left behind if they don't follow. So it's probably very high on most of their list of priorities, because the ones that don't move into renewables will be left behind as time goes on. But that was it for this one, and I hope you find some use in this video.